What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, so go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. So today's video is going to be a do-it-yourself, and you're going to turn some men's shorts into and distress them. So I'm going to show you how I distress my denim shorts because baby, I'm trying to get ready for the summer and the spring and bring you all the looks. So stay tuned. Here is the before, and I just want you to know that you can grab a pair of men's jeans, your old jeans that you just really want to upcycle. You have a brother, dad, go grab their old shorts that they don't want, their old jeans that they don't want. But for me, men's jeans, I always love to grab them, especially when I'm at the thrift store, because they always fit high-waisted on me. And I love the fit of high-waisted when it comes to me because I am a curvy girl, and you know, they always are flattering for me. So I'm going to show you, I have started to make strips into one side of the leg of my shorts. So as I make strips, I like to, as I go ahead and open up these scissors just a little bit and allow it to slightly go across the strip. So that's going to help you fray or distress those jeans. And you always want a thicker jean. These are some Wranglers that I picked up, and I always love the type of denim and jeans Wrangler gives. Like, you definitely the stretch jeans don't really do as well. My favorite is just this thicker denim when I like to do some type of distressing. Now, one of the things that you are not going to see on this video is at the end, once I get done fraying and distressing and giving it the look I want, I will put it in some bleach just to give it a little extra dimension. But don't fret whenever you are distressing these lines you are putting in these strips. It's not going to give you the look you are imagining just by doing this. You will have to put it in the washer and the dryer to get the final look. So don't forget that part. But you can continually try it on if you need to. You can use a pencil once you try it on to make sure you don't go too high up the leg. If there's a limit to where you want to go ahead and use a pencil when you try it on to make sure you stay within those lines. Me, I love to be able to have thin strips, so because I really like to show my leg. And so you'll see at the end result, for me, I'll be able to show more leg because I continually cut these strips in half and distress them as I go along. But you do how you feel because this is what you will be wearing. You'll be able to tell other people once they give you these compliments of how great you look in these distressed jeans or shorts, depends on what you are trying to create. You will be so proud of yourself and be like, I upcycled and I reused something and made it new. And you like, bam, I am feeling myself. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready for spring. Baby, here we go. Here we are. The world is opening up, and you going to be ready to be divified out there in that. So here I am continually just making more strips. You'll see that. And I am continually going to be going on the top and the bottom of each of those strips to give the frayed look. If you would like more items like this on my Etsy shop, definitely go ahead and comment below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. I do have the link to my Etsy shop in the description box, so definitely look down below. So here I am going to do on the other leg, I am just going to cut out a box. Literally, that's all I'm doing. I'm keeping the seam at the bottom, and I'm literally, it's almost like I'm doing creating a shorter short, but I'm literally leaving the seam lines in, and so literally just cutting a straight box. And then I'm going to, with the scissors, fray each of the edges, and at the bottom of the seam on this side also, what I will be doing is cutting little pieces and just, making sure all of it's frayed, cutting the edge of the seam line. So y'all better get into this look. And after I'm done with this, I'm going to go bleach it, wash it, dry it, then bam, the look is here. Y'all better be ready, because I know I am. Y'all know y'all can wear this on vacation. Go to Walmart if you want to. You need to go run errands, something easy and quick to throw on. You literally can do so many things with it. You can throw on some thigh-high boots, have a cute, cute crop top. You can throw on one of my favorites, which is the oversized men's button down, and literally button a few buttons at the top, leave the bottom part open, the thigh-high boots, bam, girl, you is out there, you about to work it, okay? So y'all better get into this look. Literally, I'm just over here just fraying it all. So you should go ahead and distress your items also, okay? All right, y'all ready for the reveal? Are you ready for the reveal? Cause here we go. Stay tuned for next week when you actually see this item being styled in multiple ways.